some new polish to try. Guess what, nail crew? Guess what I have? Guess what I have? Woo! Some new polish from who? From who? From who? Azure Beauty. Azure Beauty? I don't know. From these people right here. Some new polish to try. I'm so excited. All right. Using my handy dandy little cuticle pusher. Using the sharp side. I never used this side, but now I guess I found a use for that side. Opening packages. So let's dig right on in. Oh my goodness. I don't want to break a nail. I don't want to break a nail trying to get in. What is this? Do y'all want me to paint my nails or not? Like, come on. Oh my goodness, guys. I should have did this off camera. All right, here we go. Here we go. Azure Beauty. Azure? I don't know. I'm gonna stop trying. We just gonna call you A Beauty. How about that? Come on, work with me, camera. All right. So, so excited to see the colors. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that is pretty. The packaging is gorgeous. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right. What is this? I don't even know what this is. What is this? Oh, I guess to test the color. Oh, okay, so you put the polish here. Well, why wouldn't you just come with the polish on the outside? That's weird. Why wouldn't you just already... Okay, so first of all, let's just look at the packaging. Okay? Each box is wrapped separately. Like, that's beautiful. But I'm confused as to why it's not already... Okay, so the color is there. But I guess if you want the true color of what it looks like after it's cured, that's where this will come in handy. Okay, so that makes sense. So you put a little bit of the polish on the circle, cure it in the lamp, and then you could put that sticker right here and you'll get a true color as to what it looks like when it's cured. But the color is on the side of the box as well. I'm so happy. Like, these are so freaking cute. All right, so that is the purple one. We're definitely going to play with these. Like, I'm going to get out some nails, some swatches, and we are going to play with these things, honey. Yes, boo, yes. All right, look at that one. What color is it? I don't even know what they're called. Do they have individual names? Let me find out, honey. They got to have individual names on them. They have to. No? No fancy names? Well, let's see if it's in the package. Okay, no. They got a hell lot of instructions on how to polish your nails. Wash your hands. Push back your blah blah blah. You guys know how to polish nails. I ain't gonna read that to you. But I was hoping that they had like some, you know, nice names on there, but apparently not. But that's okay. Look at this, is like ceramic or glass or something. Oh my God. Look at the glitter. Y'all know this about to be my new favorite right here. This glitter. Oh my gosh. All y'all glitter lovers out there. Yes. Do y'all see that? Oh! Oh my gosh. All right. Two more. And then I'm going to get the nails out and we are going to swatch. This one's like a nice soft pink. These are all kind of like spring colors, I would say. You know, like that glitter is universal. That glitter you can use any time of the year. But the rest of them look kind of like spring. This might be a nice, you could probably get away with that in the fall. All right, so here are all the colors. Right. I'm still looking for names on them. Like, well, They have numbers, but that's a number 4 and this is a number 4. So I don't think the numbers mean anything. I don't know. That's so weird. That's weird that they don't have names, but oh well. All right, so let me get some swatching material and I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Okay. All right, so I have my little color wheel here that I'm going to swatch on. And I have my lamp right here. Say hi, Mr. Lampy. Hey, hey, hey. So let's swatch. I'm definitely going to do the glitter last because like that is the highlight of my life right now. So you, Mr. Glitter, you go there. I'm going to try to do them in order from lightest to darkest. So let's go that one, this one, and then that one. And then you just stay right there looking all pretty. All right, guys, let's go. So I'm going to shake it up. You better not let me down either, Azure. You better come through because the packaging is beautiful. So you got a lot to like. You got a lot to live. Oh, my gosh. So, okay. Let me just close this real quick. You see how dark it is right there? When you open it, it is not even, TLC. Oh my God, my heart is melting. It is so cute. All right, oh my God. Okay, so let's just get right into this, guys. My hand is not steady. I am shaking. It's definitely creamy. Definitely creamy. Okay. So that's what it looks like before it's cured. Nice, creamy, smooth. All right. So now let's do, I'm going to just do all, like one coat of everything and then cure them at the same time. So now this one, this is what it looks like on the bottle. Give it a shake, shake, shake. And let's see what it looks like when I open it. Still like the bottle does not give it justice. Now that makes sense why they want you to put it on this and put it on the top. That makes 100% sense now because I was like, what the hell? All right, so let's see. This one is like a darker version of the one I just used. Oh my God, like guys, forget that spring colors. Like I feel like I'm about to do me a pedicure with these colors now. Like I wish I would have had this beginning of October because this would have been a nice breast cancer awareness nail set. But I mean, there's always next year. So that's the light pink. That is a darker pink. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Do you hear what I say? Do you hear what I say? All right, now we're going to go for this purple. That's what it looks like on the outside. Gave it a good little shake. Y'all do not know how happy I am to be. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me just pick this deal up. Let me pick you up. So definitely you could get away with one coat. You could definitely do one coat and this would be full coverage. Full coverage, one coat. Full coverage, one coat. Do you hear what I say? You better come through, Azure, whatever. Come through. All right, here is that purple, the darker purple. So we have light pink, dark pink, light purple, and I'm assuming this is going to be the nice dark purple. Yeah! Oh my God! That purple just said Easter. That purple screamed Easter. Look, these colors don't have names, but listen, we gonna name them today, honey. This one is Easter. Hello. Good morning. And how are you, baby? One coat, like, I'm not even gonna double coat these. What y'all think? Should I double coat them? Like, it just looks so good, one coat. Like, you could definitely save them coins and one coat this polish and be like on your way out the door. Glitter. Here we go, glitter. Here we go, glitter. That's what you look like in the bottle. I'm so excited. Look, you better come through, glitter. You better not disappoint me. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my my gosh. Oh my goodness. Y'all cannot even see the gorgeousness that's coming through. And you know what? This would be cute layered on top of any of the other colors. Yeah. Wait a minute. Do you see that? Do you see that? Y'all, okay. I'm too excited. Like, I'm too excited. You know what? Here's the deal. Here's what happened. I just came from my run. I just did a 3-mile run. I'm high off these endorphins, so don't mind me, okay? We're going to put this into the lamp. We're going to cure these for a full 60 seconds and see what they look like when it's done. But I'm already hyped, guys. Like, first of all, the packaging was like, yes, hello, and good morning, right? And then they came in like these nice little glass, ceramic-y type containers. Like, yes, like, y'all really did that. I wish they had some names, like some cute little fancy names on them, but hey, it's all good. It's all good. I'm surprised and I'm happy. So at this point in my life, I might just have to go through and get a whole collection of these, honey. Like, what? What do you say? I just need to know how to pronounce the name. Like, I just need to learn how to pronounce the name because I can't be bragging about a brand. I don't even know what they called. Azure? Azure. I don't even know, y'all. I don't even know. Last 21 days, color live, but no name. All right, so 60 seconds are up. Yes. So this is what it looks like with one coat. Should I do another coat, guys? Yeah, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Let's just jump right in with another coat. Let's just see what it's gonna like. It's beautiful like this. Like, to be honest, throw you on a nice high gloss top coat and be like, all right, ready for life. Ready for life. All right, so that is the pink. And you know I'm gonna link everything in the description box below. I did get this on Amazon. I want to say it was $18.99 for the whole set. Okay, which I think is pretty reasonable for this. So, good little stocking stuffer if you want to get yourself a gift, treat yourself to something nice. All right, so that is a second coat. Yes. It really didn't need it. Like, I'm telling you the truth, y'all. Save y'all. If you want to spend $20 on a set of polish, like, I would make it last as much as I can. And if you don't need a second coat, then don't put a second coat. But I know someone's going to say, hey, can you second coat it, please? I want to see. So for that person, I am doing this for you. For the person, the diehard second coaters, I'm putting a second coat on my nails for you, honey. All right, so let's do this purple. I'm so impressed right now. Like, y'all don't even know. Y'all don't even know. I'm so impressed. Yes. Yes. Do y'all see? Like, I'm going to have to do a close-up because y'all don't see what I see. I don't sense y'all excitement. I cannot sense the excitement through the camera right now. So I'm going to have to get y'all excited with me. And I'm going to have to put a real close-up. So let me go ahead and put this glitter on top real quick. I'm going to put this all the way in the camera so y'all can see it and get a high dose of excitement. Because this glitter right here, show stopper. So let me paint the scene for y'all, okay? Like, you walking into the club and you know, you kind of shy. You don't know what to say. You just let your hands do the talking for you. Just let them things shine off the dance lights, the strobe lights. Girl, what? All the fellas coming to you. All of them. All of them. All right, let's put you in the lamp. Look at that, just dancing. Them nails is dancing. Them nails is dancing. All right, here we go. Let me see. Y'all know I'm crazy. I am crazy. All right, so let's close these up, seal you up right. And I'm not gonna put them back in the little boxes, but I will put them back into this box, just so I keep them together, because y'all special. These are some special polishes. I'm not gonna put them with my riffraff polishes. Like, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna leave you separate, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, y'all need your own little apartment. So we're gonna leave y'all in there. All right, honey. Yes. All right, so let's see, what top coat should I use? Let's go with something that's really gonna like do them justice. Let's go with this. Let's go with this top coat today. This is my IBD Intense Seal. So I'm just gonna do a nice top coat on all of them. Do they need a top coat? Do they need a top coat? No, because they shiny. But we're gonna do it anyway, because you know what? Someone's gonna say, hey, can you do a top coat, please? So I got you. I got you. Here we go, darling. This is for you. Boom. You know what? I didn't even check to see if they left the inhibition layer. Let me just see. No! No! Get out of here! They're not even sticky! You better work. You better work, darling. Y'all, I'm so impressed right now. Y'all better be impressed too. Y'all better sense my excitement through this camera. Ooh, look at that. All right, so this is what it looks like. Woo! Let me go ahead and pop those into the lamp, cure them for a full 60 seconds, and then I want y'all to tell me what's your favorite. Like, down below in the comments right now, tell me which ones you love the best. Like, rank them, like first, second, and third. Tell me what you guys like the best. I'm gonna tell y'all what I like. Y'all already know what I like. Y'all know, I'm gonna pick the glitter. You know I'm gonna pick the glitter, so. All right, fresh out the oven. Look at that. So which one is your favorite, guys? Like, this one is my favorite, of course. And you know, it looks different, like when I'm looking at it in true form versus through the actual camera. It looks different, but they still look gorgeous either way. And so this would be my favorite. I think, I don't know. I think this I would like next. So first, second. Oh, it's so hard. I think first, second, and third. These two are pretty and I like them too, but I'm just thinking of me like everyday wear or for a nice pedicure, it will probably be this one, and this one. The other two will get warm, but if I had to rank it, that would be my ranking, first, second, and third. All right, so you guys tell me which ones you like the best. Tell me first, second, and third what you like the best. Let me just give you guys a little view that way. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, that's it for this video, guys. That's it. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. The subscribe button should be like right here or right here. Like, I think right here. I don't know. One of these, you know where it's at. Click the subscribe button, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. See you later. Deuces. Oh, and next I'm going to do like a 2-week follow-up on these nails. I need to fill already. But they're so pretty. Like, I don't want to fill them yet. Like, I'm just going to maybe go 3 weeks with these because I really, really like them. I really like them. So I might just wear them until I get tired of them, I guess, or until they break or something. But so stay tuned for that. And yeah. That's all I got for you guys. So all right, have a good day.